Good morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, in the last video we have solved question number 6 and 7, and in today's video we are going to continue with question number 8, and also I have given you question number 6 F point as homework. So first match your answers and then we will continue with question number 8. So students, question number 8 in your textbook. In a library there are 29,850 fiction books and 32,801 non-fiction books. By how many are the non-fiction books more than the fiction books? Okay students, again I told you to read the question 2 times. Now one time we have already read. Now again second time in simple words we are going to read here. So a library has 2 types of books, fiction and non-fiction. Fiction, the number of fiction books is 29,850. In the same manner non-fiction books are 32,801. What you are asked to do is you have to find by how many the non-fiction books is more than the fiction book. Students, always remember, whenever you are asked to, whenever in the question it is given like this, find how many more, that means you are going to subtract. How many more means you are asked to compare two values and you are asked to find their difference. So here also we will find how by which number the non-fiction books are greater than the fiction books. How? By subtracting them. So let us see. I have already written the steps on the board, students. Let us see. Number of fiction books. It is given 29,850. Okay. Then number of non-fiction books are 32,801. Fine. Then number by which the non-fiction books are more than the fiction books. How you are going to give that number? By subtracting. So here students, I will write the greater number, means the number of non-fiction books, and then I will subtract the number of fiction books from it. Okay, let us see students. So 32,801 minus 29,850. So 1 minus 0, 1. Then 0 minus 5, as greater number is written below and here 0 is written at the top in the minuend. So what I have to do? I have to borrow 1 from 8. So when I will borrow 1 from 8, this 0 will become how much? It will become 10, and with 8 only 7 will remain. Okay students, so 10 minus 5, 5. Here 7 remained. Again I can't subtract 7 with 8 because 8 is the greater number, 7 is the smaller number. Again borrow. So from 2 I borrowed 1. So 7 became 17. Now 17 minus 8 will get 7, 8, 9. Okay, here 1 remained. Again borrow 1, 1, 1, 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Then here 2 remained. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, so students, we got 2,951, and now we can write here that the non-fiction books are greater than the fiction books by 2,951. Okay students, so this was our question number 8. Now let us see the next question, question number 9. You can note the solution. Okay students, question number 9. If one bag of rice weighs 102 kg, what will 1012 bags weigh? Again in simple words, here you are given with the weight of one rice bag, students. One rice bag weighs 102 kg and then you are asked to find the weight of total 1012 bags. In such situation, what you are going to do, students? The weight of one bag is given and then number of bags are given and you are asked to find the total weight. So I have explained you again this type of question in introduction video whenever we are asked to find the total. But here the total which you are asked to find is very big, isn't it? You see, you have to find the weight for 1012 bags and one bag weigh 102 kg. So you will not just go on adding 102 plus 102 for 1012 bags. Na? So if we are having a long addition, then we can use multiplication, isn't it? Because multiplication is known as repeated addition. So students, here we are going to multiply. Let us see, I have already written the steps. Weight of one bag of rice. It is given 102 kgs. Now you have to find the weight for 1012 such bags. So second step will be, therefore weight of 1012 such bags is equals to, we have to multiply 1012 with 102. Let us multiply students. 1012 into 102. So students, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2. So my ones digit has multiplied each and every number. Okay, then I'll for taking tens digit, first I have put the cross here. Now 0 2s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 1s are 0. We know this, that whenever we multiply a number with 0 or 0 with any number, we are getting the result as 0 only. Okay, and we also know this, whenever 1 is multiplied with any number or any number is multiplied with 1, we will get that same number as the product. So here when I will multiply 1012 with 1, I will get 1012 only. But as ones is in hundreds place, so first put the cross in tens and ones place. Now here simply 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1. Now we have to add. Students, no space, so I am adding, I am writing the sum here. Okay, so when I will add this 4, directly you will get 4, then 2 plus 0, 2, then 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2, then 2 plus 1, 3, isn't it? Then 0 plus 0, 0, then 1. So students, our sum is 1,03,224. Okay students, when I multiplied these two numbers, I got 103,224 kgs. Clear students? So here 1012 bags weigh 1,03,224 kgs. Okay. Now let us see question number 10 students. Note this. Last question of this exercise students, question number 10. A packet can hold 54 pens. How many packets are required to pack 4,698 pens? Now in simple words, you are given with the capacity of a packet. A packet can hold how many pens students? 54 pens. And then you have to find how many such packets will be required to pack 4,698 pens. So let us see the steps students, then we will decide that which operation we are going to use. My first step is number of pens one packet can hold. It can hold 54 pens. In one packet 54 pens. Now you have to tell in how many packets we can keep 4,698 such pens. So what you are going to do here students, multiplication or division, we are going to divide here. Reason, we are given with the total number of pens and also we are given with the number of pens which one packet can hold. So what we will do, we will take the total number of pens and we will divide it with the number of pens which we can keep in one packet. Then what we will get? We will get the number of packets as quotient. Let us see students. So here we are going to divide 4,698, that means total number of pens with number of pens which we can keep in one packet. Okay, now let us divide students. 4,698 divided by 54. So 2-digit number, here I will take 2-digit number, but 46 cannot be divided with 54. So I have to take the next number also, 9, that is 9. So 469 is to be divided with 54. See, we all, some of you might be knowing the table of 54, but I don't know the table of 54. So what I will do, I will multiply. You also have to multiply and check students. So let us take 54 3s are, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry over, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. No, we have to take some other multiple of 54. Now let us take 6. So students, 54, 6 are 6 4s are 24, 2 carried over, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Okay, let us try with another number. 469 is still a bigger number. Let us multiply with 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3, 41, 42, 43. Okay, nearer to 469, isn't it? 432. Let's check with 54 9s are also, students. 9 4s are 36, 3 carry over, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 3, 46, 47, 48, 486. So we can see now 54 8s are is giving 432, 54 9s are is giving 486. Here we have to divide 469. So I can't take the greater multiple, but I can take the multiple which is less than this. So students, finally 54 8s are we got 432. Okay. Now 9 minus 2 we will get 7, then 6 minus 3, 3, then 4 minus 4, 0. Next number which I will take will be 8. Now we have to divide 378. Okay, now I can rub this. 378. Here we can see 54 6 are is 324. Na? Let us check with 54 7s are also, students. 7 4s are 28, 2 carry over, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 2, 36, 37. So 378 and 324. 54 6 are 324, which is less than 378. But when I multiplied 54 with 7, I am exactly getting 378, students. So here 54 7s are 378. Subtract 8 minus 8 0, 7 minus 7 0, 3 minus 3 0. So students, our division is done. So now you can see no remainder is left. That means to keep 4698 pens in such a packet which can only hold 54 pens. How many packets we will require? We will require 87 packets, students. So finally my answer is 87 packets. 87 packets can hold 4698 pens. Okay students, so these were the step problems from question 8 to question 10. I hope each and every step problem is clear to you, and also the complete exercise 1 is clear to you. Students, in this exercise we have seen the basic fundamental operations, plus, minus, into, divide, isn't it? Then in the next exercise you are going to see the addition with larger numbers, with greater numbers. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Thank you.